In a previous video, I went over the HEVY app and how you can use it for free in order to build and track your own workouts. This free app allows up to 4 workout routines and 7 custom exercises. But in that time, I actually went against my word on using this for free and upgraded to the lifetime membership for $81.18 because I want to be able to share with you all the workout programs I personally have and follow so you can follow along with me or even copy those exercises into your plans. That's right, you can actually copy my workout programs into your HEVY app. However, I think if you did it with more than 4 workout routines, you might run into some issues where it wants you to upgrade, but you can also just pick and choose the routines I have in there and copy them over as your own. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to check out my HEVY app review as it goes over pretty much everything you'll need to know on how to use it and what it can do. And for me, it personally is the best app I've found so far and does, again, everything I'm looking to do, especially when it comes to building out my own custom plans. But outside of sharing all of my workout programs with you for free through the app, I wanted to also make it easy for me to just jump in and do a workout versus having to update the 4 workout routines each time because again, you only get those 4 routines for free before needing to upgrade. So as a quick example, going from a dumbbell workout to a resistance bands workout would mean I'd basically have to pick one of the routines and swap all of them into being a resistance band version. Not only that, because I only had 7 slots for custom exercises, a lot of the time I had to kind of fiddle my way through other things like cable versions of them and put them as a placeholder. Now, I can literally just make a custom version of the exercise with the resistance bands or even my Speediance home gym monster and put it right in the app and not have to worry about it for the next time I want to do a workout with that equipment. So in short, now I can build all my workout routines into the app and never have to change each thing out each time. Now I might make updates to the workouts themselves, but it's not like I'm going from one modality to another and having to make constant updates. Now another review product I made recently is for the Speediance Gym Monster, and this is diving into the kind of trend we're seeing with home fitness equipment. It is more expensive, but things I'm really interested in. So this is a AI-based home gym system that uses magnetic resistance in order to provide the resistance against your muscles you need to stress them and get stronger during rest. So what I plan on doing is adding all AI-based exercises using the custom builder and then putting in my own AI plans alongside the resistance bands and dumbbells I use. So there's going to be a lot more in there. Of course, again, go ahead and follow me. It's all free through the HEVY app. Do know if you do more than 4 workout routines, it might make you upgrade, but I'm glad I can kind of share these out for free as it will be actually what I'm putting into my premium product, which is a little different than I'm working on, but at least you can jump in now and try it out for yourself. Now with all that being said, I may change the workout app I'm using in time, but for 2023, I really doubt it as I really have come to love the HEVY app. I paid that $81 for a lifetime membership, which really isn't that expensive if you think about it for a lifetime membership. So who knows, I'm going to help their development team and whatnot keep making the app even better. So I'm excited to share all these programs with you. Make sure to check out the HEVY app, and I'll start with just the free version. If you feel like upgrading, go for it. I actually have no affiliation with them right now. It's just a product I really like, and I hope maybe one day they will affiliate with me so I can help promote their company a bit more. But if there's things I really like, I don't mind shouting them out. So check out HEVY, check out my programs, follow me over there, and see what I'm doing each week and the updates I am making. I also do share with them on social media quite often, so make sure to follow me at all the social media links in the description below.